gonna take them out. I bought this is not really fall, but I love the fact that it's greenery that can be used for fall. And this was only $4.99 at the Goodwill. And I have all my other fall items. So let's get decorated. I know that you guys are super excited because that's one of my number one things that I hear from you guys is we can't wait to see the inside of your home for fall. So we are going to decorate the entryway and the living room, not the kitchen today, but you will see my kitchen decorated in a different time frame. So definitely stay tuned. So let me take some of them out so I can show you guys everything I got really nicely laid out. 1 second, guys. So guys, I started building my fall collection, guys, and I'm so happy because I've only been in my home for 2 years, and any decoration or anything I had in my previous place I thrown out or gifted away. We came here with just our clothes off our back. So I'm just so proud of myself, but I didn't know I started accumulating so much. This may not be a lot for some people. However, this is a lot for me. I'm just going through all of them. I'm like, Gladys, you do not need all of these, but I'm just like, why not? I love the orange colors. I love just your traditional color when it comes to fall and Christmas. So yeah, so I cannot take everything out, guys. This is what it is. So let's get cleaning and decorating. So you know that I'm really tired or I'm going through a lot when you see my space like this, because this for me is a disaster. It's messy to the point where like my table is crooked. My pillows are always fluffed. It's just so messy, and I can't wait for you to see the cleaning and end result. This is my living room, how messy everything is. Again, this may not be messy for some people, but it's messy for me. So I actually waited until I can decorate and clean with you guys, so I didn't touch anything. So let's get to it.
I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh.
Okay, guys, what do you guys think? I love the pop of orange with the white and the greenery. I love me this pumpkin right here. This was from Goodwill. Let me push it in the middle. And I love that I had it last year as well. But I love the fact that it has the navy blue and the gold, which is like basically perfect for my color home here. I love the pumpkin color candles. This was from the Dollar Tree. My candles was from Goodwill, and I basically painted it, spray painted, and I love the fact that it's not perfect. It looks very country chic. I love that. My autumn blessing, oh my god, guys, love this, from the Dollar Tree. My floral, which is not a fall decor, but I thought I would tell you guys where it's from. It's from Ross. And basically the velvet pumpkin, which I got lots of questions about. Not questions, but like inquiries when I did my fall haul. This is from Dollar Tree. If you're interested in my table right here is from Ross. Guys, I will do a whole house tour for you guys for fall, so definitely stay tuned. Let's continue cleaning. And my rug runner over here is from Ross as well. Love the colors in here, so perfect for this hallway. And this is a 2x6 if you're interested. If you have this narrow hallway like mine, or you like this size, it's a 2x6 from Ross. Let's continue cleaning, guys. that I'm currently outside of my home, and it truly feels like fall. It's raining, it's chilly, and I love it. I also have my fall decor. If you haven't watched the video, it will be up on my channel as well. I will leave the link below for you guys, but I have my fall wreath and I love everything here, guys. So let's continue. I thought I'll share that with you guys.
I'm all alone in my hotel room. I'm getting drunk on booze from the mini bar. I wonder what you're up to. I shouldn't call you up, I know your number by heart. I see you wherever I go.
Okay, so as you saw me, I was trying to make a garland, which I didn't like. Like, you know, I don't like clutter at all. So it falling down and just no. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to intertwine this into the greenery over there, and let's see how that looks.
And you don't even know. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door, the girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. I know you're miles away from me, but still I dream of you and say your name in my sleep. Tell me, isn't that crazy? Just wanna call you up and tell you how I feel. I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door, the girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah. Ooh. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah. I'm drunk in room 308, and it's getting kinda late. I wish I could just call you up. I'm alone in room 308. Yeah, are you awake? Wish I could call you. I'm gonna call you. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door, the girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah. Ooh. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah.
So what do you guys think? I try my best. I'm a little bit iffy with the texture, but let me come close for you guys. Hold up. I'm a little bit iffy with the texture, but I love that color with the greenery. I think it looks really pretty, but I'm just still trying to figure out if I'm gonna keep it Give me your input on there. We're still in the beginning of fall, so I really want to enjoy everything I have in my home. And I have little ones, so I don't want them coming over here and wonder what is this. I start playing with it, so I want to see, you know, how I'm going to like it and how they adjust to it. You may wonder, I have little kids, and I have white couch and white carpet, and I'm putting all these things that might break, but my kids are very wise. When I tell them don't touch, they know not to touch. So I'm really lucky with that. But let me know what you guys think about that one. So let's move the entryway of the kitchen. I call it the entryway of the kitchen, but let's move there. It looks like at night with that candle lit, and I love this candle, guys. It's so pretty. I'm just letting it to bring that smell into the house, and I'm gonna turn it off. I want that warm smell. This is what it looks like at night, and I love that. Let me show you guys the fireplace at night. So pretty as well. And I love that I turned all the lights off except for one in the kitchen. And I'm doing dishes right now, so sorry. But this is what it looks like at night for fall. It's gonna be such a cozy fall time. But yes, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the entire video. If this is your very first time here, I would truly appreciate if you click on the subscribe button. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you guys. Bye bye.